So here I have Ford Taurus. So today I have Ford here, so I'm going to show you guys how to fix this issue. So whenever I have this issue on your car, be it Mercedes, be it BMW, be it Ford, be it even Lexus, Toyota, so I'm going to show you guys how to fix this issue. You can see the screen. You can see how the screen look. You can see the screen. You can see how the screen look. So what can cause this issue? Can be a result of sunlight. If there is a direct sunlight coming from the windscreen, it can cause this issue. You know, sometimes if you park this car for a long time, maybe you travel go somewhere, before coming back you will see your screen look like this. Don't be panic. I will show you guys how to fix it. You see this one, but this one has a protection. There's a protection here. You can see the protection. So this protect this screen, and there is a glass front here, but this one is directly fixed the sun. You can see here there is a glass here, and there is also glass this side. So you can see, so this have to install these two vents, and here you see the one bolt, and here the second bolt. Okay, you see the two bolts here, and this is the vent bolt and the second vent bolt. There is bolt under here. You can see how bright this screen look. You can see how bright the screen looks. But you can see this one. You can see. You can see. So you have to open this cover, because you have to open this chrome, the cluster chrome. Okay, so the chrome, you can see there is a bolt in here. So you have to be careful so you won't break it. So you have to play this steering, have to adjust the steering to come down, and okay, you can see there is a second nut here, and there also nut upside. There is a bolt here, and there is also a bolt upside. Same thing this side. So we have to open here. So this, we have to open it. This cover has to be open. Then this cover, I have to open this cover. So if I open this cover, I will not get access to the bolt that is holding this vent. There is a bolt that holds this vent. So here, the process of opening the cover. Okay, this is the bolt, and here are the bolt. So you have to open this cover, and open this. There is wire. You can see the wire here. So you have to unplug this wire. and I have to close it. So this one, the reason that I'm opening this is because of this key. You can see that it's key here. You can see this key. So now this one, no need make I open and complete. I will just open this one small. Just open and small. Open and small, and unscrew this bolt and unscrew this bolt. The radio will be out. Okay, so this can be out now, and this can be out now. Okay, you can see there is both down here, and also there is both down here. You can see. Yeah, the bolts 7. So now I open all the screw bolts, all I have opened all. So the next is to unveil. You can see here are the claimant, the AC claimant, AC control. Here you can see the claimant. So what is claimant? Claimant is the AC control. Okay, now this is the screen here. Okay, here are the screen. So to install the screen, you have to put this screw and unscrew this. That is the first screw here. First screw. So I have to unscrew this first screw. Okay, I go lose here. You can see there is ribbit here. What does this ribbit shows? This ribbit shows that this screen has not been opened before. So this is the original on this car. There is ribbit here. It hasn't been opened before. They never opened it before. You see, now the original be this. That's why they ribbit it from the company, Ford company. So I have to install this here so I can be able to use the AC. We're working. Let's leave it. You can see the connection, the power connection. So this time around I have to off the car. I have to turn off the car. So after turning off the car, I will unplug the wire.